Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 95 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions, and he answers the questions. You can also compliment crew and lodge your complaints there. We take the questions. We read the questions, he answers them, we take the answers, and we put them here for you, so you're not reading through a whole bunch of questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about the cooking demonstration at the Steakhouse, a passport in Panama. Sorry, that's how I do it. Air mattresses, can you bring them on the ship? B2B2B, and the allowance of soda and wine you can bring on board. And that fancy bottle of water in the steakhouse. Alrighty, question one. Do they still have the cooking demonstration at the steakhouse? We always love this, but haven't seen it listed on several cruises. And they wanted to, they've taken the cooking classes several times on the ship, but this cooking demo was unique, and they wanted to know, do you still do it? John said, no. He's afraid they don't do this anymore. They got so popular that the venue was just not big enough to handle the crowd, but he hopes that they do enjoy Carnival Kitchen. I've never done the Steakhouse one. I have done Carnival Kitchen, as has Liz, and I recommend it strongly. It is really cool and really fun, so I would definitely do it. Question two. This cruise had a question about the need for a passport to get off in Panama and if this is a new requirement. He said, yes, it is something new. Well, not new, but something the government reinstated. They will be checking everyone's passport when you leave the ship, and if you don't have one, they will not allow you to leave. And I think the next question we're going to see in the questions, and always ask questions if you have questions, is the passport card allowed? It is not. You need a passport book. So if you're going on a cruise, get the passport book. It works everywhere. So if you don't like being stuck in random ports, bring your regular passport. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy watching cruising content, please subscribe, like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser's granddaughter is 3 years old, and when she travels, she is used to sleeping on an air mattress. So they want to know, are air mattresses allowed to be brought on board? John said, yes, they absolutely are, so feel free to bring it on board as they don't have any on the ship. Side note, if you bring an air mattress, definitely bring an extension cord. The extension cords they can provide you on ship, they are limited, but bring an extension cord, non-grounded, because nothing is grounded on there, because the cords on those aren't long and there's not many plugs in the rooms. So yeah, bring an extension cord. All right, this cruiser had, I have to look at this, a back-to-back, nice, cruise planned in 2026, and they wanted to know if they're able to bring their allowance of soda and wine for all 3 cruises on board when they embark on the first leg of their journey. John said, yes, you can. You just need to have all your boarding passes printed for all cruises. But here's the question. Since you traditionally can't print your boarding pass 14 to 16 days before the cruise, and it's a 7-day cruise on 3 different legs, how do you print that 3rd boarding pass? It's a curious question. But you can print out your luggage tags, and that will have the date range on the luggage tag, so maybe you can do that as well. Not sure, but that would be my suggestion. Print out at least your luggage tags, and then you can show, hey, look, here's cruise 1, here's cruise 2, here's cruise 3, here's my booze, I'm going on board. All right, last question. This cruiser asked about the fancy bottles of water they serve you at the Steakhouse, and if you have the drink package, because they do cost money. And they loved it, and they keep forgetting to take a picture of the frickin' bottle so they can remember what it is. John said it is called San Benedicto. It's an Italian still water versus moving water or bubbly water. And it is absolutely fabulous. We would agree. I like my water. Liz calls me a water snob. Well, she calls me a water something else. I won't use that word. But I agree. That water is amazing in the Steakhouse. If you have the opportunity to get it, get it. If you don't have the drink package and they charge you for it, I would try it anyway. It is delicious. I absolutely love it. So that's been episode 95 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.